I'm all packed up and ready to hit the road. Let's go to Shenango Recreation area. This should be interesting. Shenango Recreation Area Campground contains over 300 campsites, many of which have electrical hookups. Flush toilets, drinking water, showers, and a dump station are provided. Playgrounds and horseshoe pits and boat ramps are also on site. This campground is reservation only. Reservations can be made on the day of arrival. Please go to recreation.gov to make your reservation today. Alright, let me get checked in. I'll be right with you guys. Alright, I am all checked in, and here we are. This campground's nicer than I expected it to be. Well, looks like we're gonna have a storm this afternoon. God. 312, 313 up ahead, 314, and this is me right back here. Well, I got all set up here at camp. It reminds you of a state park. It's really a nice campground. It's very quiet too. We're about to get a storm, so I'm going to hunker down for a little bit and start editing some video. I have a lot of stuff to work on. Well, it's finally raining. Hopefully it cools down a little. I have family I want to go see, so we're going to hit the road and we're going to go to their campground and see their seasonal site that they have. Alright, here we are. Check out this vacation land. This is pretty. Oh wow. This is nice. Very nice. Well, I'm just gonna pull in here and get checked in and see what happens. Very nice. visiting with my family. It was really cool to see them and see their new trailer they have. I am heading back now to my camper at Shenango and probably just kick back and edit. We have another storm surge coming through, so there's like 2 bands of storms on the weather map right now, and I'm trying to beat the storm by getting home now. Well, it's raining. I made it back to my camper. And I made a makeshift awning. This is the awning I always had, but I don't have the poles. So that pole right there is my snow removal pole. Yeah, I know, beautiful, isn't it? But at least it shelters me from some of the rain. So that's what I just got done working on. Well guys, that's going to be it for this evening. I took a nice hot shower, and let me tell you, the showers here, they run hot. So just be careful about that. So I will cut back in the morning and we will do some more exploring. Well, looks like it's going to be a fun day. Oh well, I'm on vacation. Alright, little Moosey, watch after the trailer for me, alright? I'll be back in a little bit. Well, good morning here at Shenango Recreation area. Had a pretty good night's sleep. It was raining this morning. That woke me up here 7:30 this morning. So I made myself a cup of coffee, and we have a little bit of a break here in the weather. So I'm going to go drive around the campground and see the rest of the campground. I'll take you guys along with me for that. I know there's a covered bridge in the area that I really want to take photos of, so we're going to do that today. And just if it lightens up, I don't know, maybe we'll sit at the lake. But it's kind of crummy, but we've needed this rain for a long time. So with that, let's go. So one cool thing that my family member does is she makes fire starters out of old egg cartridges, old candles, and shredded paper. And this is what they look like. And this was a gift they gave me, so that's really cool for camping. That's perfect. These will come in handy when I start a fire. So that's really cool. It's a big Saber Cobalt fifth wheel. A big fifth wheel. But as you can see there on the left, there's another bathhouse. They're all the same. This is pretty back in here, nice and shaded. Look at this guy. Dude, come on. Put on a shirt. Yeah, it's a nice little campsite. Oh wow, and these sites are right on the water too. Campsites are right on the lake. Oh, there's a spot available. It's non-electric, but it was available. Yeah, these people in their tents, those days for me are over. You know, I grew up going through scouting and stuff, and we always, you know, we're in Boy Scouts, we never had trailers, you know, but, yeah, it's just like, wow, those days are over, and I'm off the ground, and I have a roof over my head, and it's the best thing ever. It really is. Here's your dump station right here, and filling water and cleaning water. This spot right here is real pretty. I like that. That's a cool spot. Another bathhouse. This site is pretty. It's right here in the woods. Very pretty. There's two sites right here. Couple sites. These sites here are really nice. They're in pine tree forest, and that's by far my favorite type of campsite, is with just tall pine trees everywhere, nice shade. It's a nice little site. A volleyball court right there, and it looks like it needs some help. Looks a little sick. Jeez. Volleyball net's a little too low there, buddy. Yeah, this is a pretty big campground. I'm impressed. I really am. Yeah, the sites along here are just gorgeous. This is the much older part of the campground, because it does have a lot more tree growth than where I'm at. Now they have multiple use campsites, so if you have a family that has a couple trailers or more than one tent, you can put them on that site. That is cool. It is rainy today. Woo! So I got the bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast burritos here. Ooh, they are hot and fresh. Made to order, baby. It's the best way to make it either way. I really wish there was like a local diner I could go to, sit at, enjoy, but with everything going on right now, I can't really go anywhere, and it sucks, but oh well, gotta do what you gotta do, right? So I'm here at Kids Mill Covered Bridge. Looks really cool. It is pouring down rain though. So I'm gonna wait this out and then we can go take a look at this cool covered bridge. Too bad you can't drive through it. So I found some information out about Kids Mill Covered Bridge. It was built in 1868 and it goes across the Shenango River. It's the only remaining bridge in Pennsylvania with an all-wooden frame. Truss design as well. It was designed, patented by Robert Smith. So, And then it's the last historic covered bridge in Mercer County. So if you're ever in the area, you should definitely check out this covered bridge. It's really neat. And it extends 120 feet in length, and it was restored in 1990. So really cool little place to stop by if you're in the area. Hello? Hey, yeah? Well, I'm going to keep heading out and trying to explore. This weather is definitely putting a damper on my trip so far. Well, that bridge was really cool to see. I'm here at Express Auto Sales looking at used cars. Just something to pass the time. And the sun finally came out. Crazy, I tell you. Absolutely crazy. This Kia Sedona is in excellent condition. Not bad for a used car dealership. And the floors are spotless. Well, I had a nice time looking at the cars there at that Express Auto Mall. Good selection. They had a Toyota Highlander. It was a 2008 with like a leather interior, skylight. It's an excellent car. I mean, it's great condition. Already had a 2-inch hitch receiver on it. But now I'm here at McDonald's. I'm going to get me some lunch because I don't feel like going back to camp, cooking a meal, cleaning stuff. So, whatever. I'm going to take the easy way out, as they would say. It's been raining on and off. You just can't win. I mean, like I said, I feel bad for the weekend seasonal campers because, you know, these poor people, I mean, they got to go to work on Monday, and it's like, here, it's like I can be up at Lake Erie on Monday if I wanted to. You know, so, oh, it just sucks. All right, I got to get my order, and I'll be back in a little while. Ooh, Minute Maid, slushy, fruit punch. That sounds good. Or I might do an iced coffee. We'll see. I got me a McChicken. And small fries. Oh my god, it's been so long since I had french fries from McDonald's. Huh. It's so unhealthy. But such a nice reward. And it is pouring down rain again. So, I'm going to enjoy my meal and watch the rain fall. Well, it turned out to be a great day. Still some clouds in the sky, but sun is shining, the humidity's coming back, and it's warming up. And I am excited. That rain was awful. But I'm going to go check out the boat launch area and see what that's all about. And I'm trying to get some pictures in. Well, that's going to be it for this evening, guys. It's been a really long day. The rain really put a damper on my morning, but in the afternoon it really cleared up today. So, all in all, I mean, it was not a bad day. Really cool to see the bridge today, too. So, I'm going to go to bed here, get a shower, stuff like that. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the push notification bell as well so you can see updates when I upload a video.